Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I am testing and reviewing some products that were sent to me by the website dasbatteries.com. On that website you will find various batteries and accessories for power tools like Makita, Bosch and other manufacturers, and they've sent me some 18 volts batteries and of course a charger that is compatible with these batteries. The charger itself can charge any Makita battery. It has a very nice design, and once you connect a battery, it will make a sound. And after the charging is complete, it will make another sound, a longer one, to let you know that the battery is fully charged. So I got 3 batteries. One has 3 amp hours and the other two have 5.5 amp hours. And so for Makita, on the website you will find batteries from 7.2 volts all the way up to 18 volts. And the 18 ones are starting from 3 amp hours and all the way to 9 amp hours. What's nice about these batteries, the 5.5 amp hours ones, is that they have a button on the back or on the front depending on your tool that will show you the level of power in the battery, and if you keep it pressed on the other side there is a flashlight that will turn on. So the 5.5 amp hours 18 volts batteries are compatible with the Makita BL1850B models. It features intelligent program protection preventing overcharging. It's a high quality replacement battery compatible with the original one, but at a lower price than the OEM battery. On the website you have all the compatible Makita products for each and every battery you want to order. For instance, this one will fit the Makita BC series, BD, BH and the BJ series. If you have the code for your tool, you just simply can search the code and you will find if the respective battery is compatible or not with your tool. We tested out these batteries with a leaf blower. The Makita, a small Makita chainsaw, electric chainsaw. As you can see, everything works very nice. The batteries are compatible. Everything is working as with an original battery.
Ai văzut? Are putere, îmi fac picioarele mie.
And the nicest thing is that you can get it for a cheap price. Furthermore, the website offers you the possibility of buying different chargers. So we have 4-port 18 volts lithium charger, 2 ports, 1 and so on. And if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you want to buy any of these products, be sure to use the link in the video description. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.